If you recently purchased a 2025 Ford Expedition and want to use the door keypad without your keys, you'll need the factory code. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how to find it step by step. Before you begin, make sure the vehicle is completely off, the doors are shut, and you have both sets of keys. Start by removing the rubber liner to reveal the backup key reader. Quick note, if your key fob battery ever dies, you can still start the vehicle by placing the dead key in that backup slot and pressing the start-stop button. In order to get the factory code, place your first key in the slot. Without pressing the brake pedal, press the start-stop button once. Next, turn the vehicle off and remove the key. Place your second key into the same slot and press the start-stop button again. The factory door code will then appear on the screen. Once you have your factory code, you can then change it to a custom code of your choice by going into Settings, scroll to Door Keypad Code, and then you'll be prompted to enter your new 5-digit code.